Good morning, students. Rhyme scheme. What is rhyme? It is the repetition of the last stress vowel sound and all the sounds that follow it in two or more words. Example: earth, birth, worth. Now you see in these three words, earth, birth, and worth, third sound has been repeated. Let us take one more example: treasure, pleasure, leisure. So you see SURE, pleasure, treasure, leisure. They have again last stress vowel is repeated. Let us take one very common example, very common poem which we all have done since nursery. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. So last words of each line, star, are, they are rhyming, and high, sky, again they are rhyming. So these are rhyming words. This is we call rhyme. Positions of rhymes in poetry. So there are different kinds of rhymes according to the position of rhyming words. So let us take first example, that is end rhyme. Rhyming words that appear only at the end of the line of the poems. I think that I shall never see a poem lovely as a tree. So these two lines, their last words are rhyming, sea and tree. These are end rhymes. Second is internal rhyme, where rhyming words appear within the line. The crows and bows throws endless brawls. So crows, balls, throws. O's sound is being repeated within the lines. So this is internal rhyme. Now let us see types of rhymes. I rhyme. I rhyme. I means which in which the words look like but sound is different. Look like same, right? The look same but they sound different. Bow, cuff, through, enough. So their sound is different, but if you look at the spelling of the words, they look same. These are I rhymes. Slant rhyme, also known as near rhyme or half rhyme, weak rhyme, imperfect rhyme, means they are not perfect. Semi rhyme. Example, let us see sun, noon, dear, door. So dear, dr sound is rhyme, but full word is not rhymed. Double rhymes, formerly called feminine rhyme. Rhymes using words of two syllables in which the heavy stress falls on the first syllable, also called trochaic rhymes. Example, see season, reason. Now the words season and reasons, the word season you can divide in two parts. Season, the word reason, reason. So there are two parts. These are called syllables. See, one syllable, zan, second syllable. So first syllable of both the words season and reason, they are rhymed. See, re. So these are double rhymes. Masculine rhymes, here and syllable is rhyming. Example, the spree, produced, reduced. So deuced sound you see, last sound is same. So these are masculine rhymes. Now rhyme scheme. It is a pattern that describes where the rhyming words fall within a given stanza or verse. Rhyme schemes do not tell you anything about meter or line lengths. They only outline the number of or placement of the rhyme words. So basically it is the pattern of the rhyming words. Whether the rhyming words are coming together or they are coming alternatively, So this is the pattern, that is we call rhyme scheme. Rhyme scheme are represented by letters. Each letter in the rhyme scheme represents one line in the poem or a story. Repeated letters indicate rhymes. So repeated letters indicate rhyme, like we say star, R. So star is A, R is A. We represent rhyme scheme with letters. Let us say example. Roses are red, violets are blue. I'm out of my head with thinking of you. Red, A, blue, B, head, A, U, B. So red and head are rhyming. So A and A. Blue and U are rhyming. B, B. So the box, the 4 lines, they have the rhyme scheme A, B, A, B. It means they indicate there are 2 rhymes, A and B. First line, A. Second line, B. Third line, A. Fourth line, B. More example. Roses are red, violets are blue. I really do love looking at you. Now you see red, A. Blue, B. Love, it doesn't rhyme with A or B, so it is C. U, B. So rhyme scheme will be A, B, C, B. So these both kind of rhymes, these are alternate line rhyme schemes, because the rhyming letters are not repeated in consecutive form, right? They are in alternative form. There is gap of 1. A, B, A, B, or A, B, C, B. So there is alternate line rhyme scheme. The most common type of rhyme scheme is the rhyming couplet. Couple means 2. Couplet is a 2-line stanza, so there is only one place for those 2 rhymed words to fall. Rhyming couplets can be repeated or they can be mixed with other rhyme structures for a more complex structure. See example, I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam and I am. I do not like them in a boat. I do not like them with a goat. I do not like them in a house. I do not like them with a mouse. Now you see the rhyme scheme here. Ham, am, a. So these are couples. Boat, goat, B, B. Again these are couples, couplets. Rhyming couplets these are. C, C, A, B, B, C, C. So these are rhyming couplets. Likewise, there are rhyming tercets also, where they will be repeated 3 times. A, B, 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 C, C, C. A rhyme scheme is usually repeated in each stanza of a given work. So if the first stanza is an AB, the subsequent all stanzas will be following the same rhyme scheme. So a particular poem will follow a particular rhyme scheme. Thank you. Have a great day.